So which Bactocult product line is going to handle this type of effluent type? So Bactocult FOG SR bar is the type of our product line which is going to handle this type of effluent. FOG SR bar is a microbial enzyme block. It is revolutionary time base of our product, which is containing bacteria and enzyme that does not require any special requirements, any special plumbing modification, or any other type of chambers required by the people. The FOGSR bar itself eco-friendly and green type of product of ours, which having the green components, and it is easily release the bacteria and the enzyme when coming in contact with the effluent stream. We just need to tie this FOGSR bar in against the effluent stream. So when the effluent comes in a contact with this wastewater, it will get dissolved and mixed with this wastewater, and after getting dissolved, it goes with the effluent. It forms the bacterial colonies around the surfaces of the storage tanks, the digesters, the transmission pipelines. So what they are actually doing is these bacteria are getting attached to the surfaces of these pipelines and the storage tanks. So as I told you, we just need to hang this block individually, wrapped on a rope, and place against the coming effluent. So so basically these bacteria, these microorganisms is going to start functioning by degrading the oil and fat in the wastewater to get converted into the carbon dioxide and the water. So what is the benefits of this Bactocult FOG SR bar when using in the effluent treatment plants? So using this type of our product, that it will reduce the oil and grease from ETP and HTPs. Of course, it reduces the membrane obstructions caused due to the grains of this oil and fats, or you can say grease. It is clean and user friendly. It is as I told you, it is a green type of bacteria. It does not harm anything or anyone. And using this type of bioculture in the effluent stream decreases the maintenance. Means if you are using this type of bioculture regularly or frequently in your treatment plants, so it will ultimately decrease your maintenance and inspection costs. It also reduces the oil scum reduction. It also degrades the sludge actually in the trap. It reduces the odor. It also helps in breakage of long chain bonds, and which is actually degraded by the bacteria. And hence it is also decreases the other practices which actually very costly and cost consuming. So as we discussed, as I told you, what is the principle and what are the benefits of using this Bactocult FOGSR bar. So now usually you can use this type of product in your industry, in your industry type, in your wastewater. So whatever the feed comes, it will get ultimately degraded with using our Bactocult FOGSR bar, and now your plant will never face any problems related with this type of effluent in future. So thank you. Thank you all.